Hi Year 3, so I am going to go over the answers today for the problems that you were given for this learning challenge about correspondence problems. So please do not go any further on this video until you've had a go at doing the problems yourself. So they are on the maths plan for Friday's activity of week 2, and it's the ZIOS and ZEPTS activities on the second Friday on that maths plan. So please do not go any further until you've had a go at them. So let's start with the first problem then. So we've got on the planet Vuv, there are ZIOS and ZEPTS. So they're aliens. And the ZIOS has got 3 legs, the ZEPTS has got 7 legs. So you can see here, we've got a ZIOS, he's got 1, 2, 3 legs. And we've got a ZEPTS, and he's got 7 legs. So, Nico the Explorer counted 52 legs. So we're looking for a combination of the 3-legged and the 7-legged. So if we go back to our learning challenge, we've got our M object connected to our N object. So we want to find what combinations can we have to total 52. Let's have a look at the answers. So you might have drawn them out. It might be a good strategy that you're going to use and draw different combinations of the ZIOS, different combinations of the ZEPTS to see if you can get to the answer. However, if like in the video tutorial, you might have used a table. So I'll explain what I have done here. So I started my table, if you can see, with 3 times 10 equals 30, 7 times 3 equals 21, and then added them together and I got 51. Now, that's not the right answer, okay? So then I thought, well, I'm not just going to guess, I'm going to be a little bit more strategic. So if you can look down the side, I wrote down all the multiples of 3 and all the multiples of 7. And I used that to help me figure out the answers, or possible answers, because there are more than one. So I was looking for which multiples of 3 added to a multiple of 7 that gave me an answer of 52, because there are 52 legs. So the first one I found, and it was a case of literally just going through and adding different combinations together, was 3 add 42 gave me, 3 add 49 gave me 52. So it's 1 lot of 3, 7 lots of 7. So you can see in the second row of my table, I've got my answer in there. So then I looked for more combinations. So another combination of a multiple of 3 and a multiple of 7 that gave 52. And I found 24 and 28. So 3 times 8 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. Added them together to get 52. Now I think that is all of the answers. I'd be really impressed if you found another one, so let me know if you do. But I think there were just those 2. So the challenge asked you to create your own alien creature with different numbers of legs and do the same thing basically, your own little problem. So I've just done an example here, and I've thought maybe one of my aliens is going to have 4 legs, one's going to have 1 leg, and the explorer is going to look and find 25 legs. So you can see there the different combinations that I came up with. multiples of 4, multiples of 1 to give you 25. Now you might have a different example to me, that's absolutely fine. You might have again written down the multiples to help you find those combinations. But there's my example. So the second question was called fireworks. Some fireworks made 3 stars and some made 4 stars. Altogether, they made 19 stars. How many of them made 3 stars? Now again, we're looking for those combinations. So these were the 2 combinations that I found. 3 times 1, 4 times 4 to give us 19. So in that instance, there was 1 firework that made 3 stars. In the second one, 3 times 5, 4 times 1 equals 19. And in that instance, I've got 5 fireworks, 3 times 5, that made the 3 stars. Again, you might have found some more. I don't think there are any, but let me know if I've missed one. Again, you might have written down the multiples of 3 and the multiples of 4 to help you find those combinations. So with this last one, at the toy shop, tricycles have 3 wheels, go-karts have 5 wheels. There are 37 wheels altogether. How many go-karts, how many tricycles are there, or could there be? So with this one, because it was a bigger number, we were looking for 37 wheels as our total. I thought I'm going to have to write the multiples down to help me. I can't do that in my head. So I've got my tricycles, my multiples of 3, my go-karts, the multiples of 5. And we want to look for combinations that add up to 37. So these are the ones that I found. 4 tricycles, 5 go-karts, 37 wheels, or 9 tricycles, 2 go-karts, 37 wheels. Again, I don't think there are any more, but please let me know if I've got that wrong. You might find some more. That's fantastic. And there we go. I wonder how you did on those problems. They were really, really tricky, but hopefully you used the tutorial that I did last week to help you and guide you through them. You might want to challenge yourselves and have a go at writing your own correspondence problems. I'm looking forward to seeing how you did. Bye for now, Year 3.